So this Kubota's got a leak back here. This is pretty common on these with the design. A bunch of dirt and garbage gets, over time, gets stuck down in that hole there. This loader arm is. And there's a plate on the bottom here. It covers this hole up and it traps all that garbage in there. So I gotta clean this out before I can figure out what's leaking. It's probably the fittings on the cylinder there on the bottom. I've done a bunch of these. So take the battery out on this right side, take the tray off, and that gives you a lot more room to see what you're doing here. There's my hose, and then it's connected to that, looks like an O-ring boss fitting on the cylinder. And I'm gonna just try to clean some of this junk out of here too. I got the cooler pulled back, but it's just, I'm doing a service on this thing, so it's kind of already out. Well, I need a oil line wrench, 22 millimeter. And even then, it's not real easy to do. I could not take that fitting out. See how it's right angled? It hits the mount for the pin. So to do this, I'd have to take that cylinder up. So I just tightened it up against the flange there and put it back. We'll see if that fixes it or not. Hopefully it does. Alright, it's dry. I've been running it. And what just happens is it builds up so much dirt in there. When the arm moves, it starts loosening that fitting up against the cylinder. And I fixed a lot of these by just tightening that fitting back up. But if you had to take the fitting out and replace it for any reason, you'd have to probably pull that cylinder up out of there somewhat to get access to turn that right angle fitting the whole way around.